Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the best way on how you can fix Ethernet connected, but the internet isn't coming. If you see this and internet is not showing connected, so I'll show you how you can fix it. First up, you need to go to your settings and you simply need to go to control panel and you just go ahead and type in control panel in your settings and you'll see something like this and just need to go to control panel. And if you don't have it, you just simply need to press on control panel and your control panel will be opened up. Now, what you need to do right over here is just simply go ahead and press on network and internet, view network and status tasks. Right over here, what you need to do is just go ahead and press on change adapter settings. And right over here, what you have to do is just go ahead and right click on this and press on properties. And once you're here, you'll be able to see a few options, but you just gotta go ahead and press on Microsoft Protocol Internet version 4, and you could just gotta go ahead and press on its properties. And right over here, what you need to do is just go ahead and make sure our obtain IP address is set to automatic. And if you just need to do this and press OK. If it's not, what you need to do, if it's your internet is not working, what you need to do, you just need to press use the following DNS server and then 8.8.8.8 right over here, and then 8.8.4.4 over here, and you just gotta go ahead and press OK. Once all this is done, you just gotta go ahead and press OK and then apply. And then once all this is done, you just gotta restart your PC, and you're good to go after that. So yeah, this is it. I hope this literally helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.